Freedom is about upholding justice and equality. Let's work towards a society where everyone is treated fairly, regardless of their backgrounds.
यह दिन है अभिमान का, है भारत माता की मान का। यह दिन है अभिमान का, है भारत माता के मान का। नहीं जाने देंगे रक्त व्यर्थ, वीरों के बलिदान का, वीरों के बलिदान का।
I believe in a nation where the environment is cherished and protected. Let's all work towards a nation which is cleaner and greener for ourselves and for the generations to come.
Freedom is about embracing innovation and technology while preserving the rich culture and tradition of India. Together, we can make India into a modern yet culturally rich society.
Freedom means to break stereotypes and gender norms. Let's empower all genders to contribute towards making India to immense heights.
I dream of a nation where every child has access to quality healthcare and nutrition. Let's make healthcare the fundamental right for every Gurukulite and every Indian.
ये स्कूल सोचता है